Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Happy's Humble Burger Farm game on PC for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to store, and inside the store search for Happy's Humble Burger Farm and then click on Happy's Humble Burger Farm game. Scroll down and here you can see get Happy's Humble Burger Farm free to keep when you get it before 15th June 2026. So if you download this game before 15 June, then you can keep this game in your account forever. So click on add to account button and then click on click to install now. And here you can see Happy's Humble Burger Farm. File size is 8.57 GB. So click on install button, then go to library. And here you can see that Happy's Humble Burger Farm game is getting downloaded on my PC. So this is how you can also download and install Happy's Humble Burger Farm game for free via the Steam launcher. And you can download this game for free until 15th June 2026 and you can keep this game forever in your account. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.